Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share what is going to happen in the year 2025, finances wise and the career wise. Who all signs need to be conscious and who all signs are blessed in the year 2025, finances wise and the career wise. As 2025 is not a simple year, this is a year where the major transit is going to take place. Last time it happened in the year 2022 and this time again it is going to happen in the year 2025. There is a movement of the major planet like Saturn, Jupiter and Mars, which are the most important planet in the year 2025, that will decide about your finances and career. Along with that, there will be a movement of the Rahu and Ketu also. So that will be going to have a direct impact on your savings also. So in this video, I'm going to discuss in brief about what all signs need to be conscious in the year 2025, finances wise, career wise, and what all signs are blessed in the year 2025. If you have subscribed my channel, then thank you so much. Or if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So 2025 is a year 3 major planets will decide your career and finances in the year 2025. That is Jupiter, Saturn and Mars. So people who are going through Jupiter ki Mahadasha, Jupiter ki Antardasha or Jupiter ki Pratantardasha, or going through Mars ki Mahadasha or Mars ki Antardasha, or if you are going through Shani ki Sade Sati or your Shani ki Sade Sati is going to start in the year 2025, then you need to be more conscious finances wise and career wise. Avoid taking any impulsive decision in the year 2025. Try to make plan, try to do planning and then decide it's a right step to do the investment, because this is not a good year for these people to do the investment. So now let's see what is going to happen in the year 2025 for each sign. So the first is a Aries. For Aries people, 2025 will be a medium year for you. So in the starting of the year, you will be going to get the financial gains. There is a possibility of getting sudden money, inheritance property or inheritance money also. You can get some sudden inheritance money also during this time. This is a good time to change the job. This is a good time to do any type of investment or start something new till April. But after April, things will not go so smoothly. You may start getting the challenges and the setbacks related to the money after April 2025. So it is suggested that after April 2025, you should avoid taking any impulsive decision. Keep an eye on your expenses. Avoid doing any type of investment during this time. And even it is suggested if you are looking for a job change also, then this is not a good time to change the job. To overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck money wise and the finances wise in the year 2025, start offering cooked food to the needy every Saturday. And even I would suggest the day when you have watched this video, start doing this remedy. It will help you out to overcome the challenges that you may face in the year 2025, finances wise and the money wise. And if possible, then try to do Chaya Dan 5 Saturdays the day you have watched this video. So it will also help you out to prepare yourself before you enter into the phase of Shani ki Sade Sati. So from 29th of March for you, Shani ki Sade Sati is going to start. So Shani ki Sade Sati is a phase where you will be started getting the results of your karma. The karma that you have done in the past life and in this life will got accumulated and you will start getting the results. So in the starting with the Shani ki Sade Sati enter, the first phase of Shani ki Sade Sati, Shani enters in our life. It started giving us the struggles, it started giving us the problems in our life. But the purpose of Shani giving us a problem is that the Shani wants to make us a better person, wants you to improve your life. That is the reason you are getting the setbacks. So after few months, after few years, you will realize that whatever changes are happening in your life right now when you entered into Shani ki Sade Sati phase, and during the Shani ki Sade Sati, that is something which is happening positive for you. At that time, you may feel like that you may be sad because of the pains and the setback. Then afterward, you will realize that whatever is happening during this time is positive for you. So try to take the lessons during the Shani ki Sade Sati, change yourself, do self-analysis. And one thing that you need to take care of is that avoid eating non-veg. Because this is a time where you are getting the results of your past life karmas and this life karma. So you are getting the results on the basis of that. So try to avoid adding more new bad karmas. so that Shani will be going to give you more lessons during this time. So try to avoid eating non-veg and start doing this remedy. It will help you. Taurus. Taurus, for you, 2025 is a great year for you. You are going to see a lot of positive changes in your life, finances wise and career wise. If your money is stuck this year, there is a high possibility you will be able to get your money back. You are going to get lot of new growth and career opportunity during this time. This is a positive transformation year for you, finances wise and the career wise. There is a high possibility of a change of a place. There is a high possibility of a change of a job also, and this particular change of a place will be positive for you. There is a high possibility you may get some sudden money out of selling some property or selling some vehicle. This is a time where your luck will be your side. So very few times this type of yoga will come when the luck is your side, and when the luck is your side, we have to put more hard work so that universe is ready to give you the blessings finances wise. Then you should also put more hard work. You are going to start getting the results as per your hard work. So to enhance your luck and to overall in the year 2025 finances wise and the money wise, start praying to Lord Shiva. If possible, offer water to Lord Shiva daily and chant name of Shiv. Like you have to close your eyes, put a timer of 12 minutes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv for 12 minutes. It will help you out to attract more money. It will help you out to improve your finances. And 2025 will be an average year for you, career wise and money wise. So this is not a good year. You need to be more conscious money wise and the finances wise. Keep an eye on your finances. Avoid taking any impulsive decisions related to any type of new investment or changing of a job. There is a high possibility of a change of a place from January till July. There is a high possibility you may purchase a new property also during this time. But you need to be conscious. Keep an eye on your expenses, as this will be a mixed year for you money wise and finances wise. To overcome the challenges in the year 2025 related to the money and the finances, you should pray to Lord Shiva more. If possible, try to offer water to Lord Shiva daily. Wear white color clothes. Avoid wearing black and blue color clothes. And if possible, close your eyes. Keep the timer of 12 minutes and keep on chanting Shiva, 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 Shiva. It will help you out to enhance your luck money wise in the year. People, 2025 will be a mixed year for you finances wise. In the starting of the month of 2025, you may face ups and downs finances wise, but the good part is that you will be able to manage money well with the support of your family. There is a high possibility you may purchase a property in the year 2025, and finances wise and the money wise, things will start improving from November. Things will start improving money wise. So to overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck money wise, start chanting Shani mantra Om Sham Shanicharaya Nama every day 108 times facing the west direction, and make sure after doing this mantra chanting, you need not to drink the water till 10 minutes. To enhance your luck finances wise more, try to wear more light color clothes like light green, red and white color clothes, and try to offer cooked food to the needy every Saturday. This will help you out to overcome the challenges in the year 2020. For you people, 2025 will be an average year for you money wise and finances wise. This is a year where you will be undergoing through Shani ki Dhaiya. That will be going to give you more pressure finances wise and the career wise. But you are going to see a stability in the career. If your money is stuck, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get your money back. You will be able to pay your loans and debts during this time. But undefined way, you are going to get a lot of pressure in your mind to do something big career wise and the finances wise. Otherwise, this is a year where you should avoid doing any type of investment. There is a high possibility that you may purchase a property, and the more money is going to spend on your health. So health wise, you need to be more conscious. To overcome the challenges in the year 2025 and to enhance your luck finances wise, start offering water to Shiva daily and chant Shiv. Put a timer of 11 minutes in your on your phone. Close your eyes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. As much as you chant the name of Shiv in the year 2025, it will help you out to overcome the blockages of your life related to the finance. 2025 will be a good year finances wise. In the starting month till April, you will be getting a lot of pressure in your career and finances wise. But after April, there will be the improvement in the finances being seen. So it has been noticed that there is a high possibility that after April, planetary will be aligned in such a way that there is a possibility of a change of a place, and this particular change of a place is positive for you. If your money is stuck, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get your money back. This is a good year, you will be able to pay your loans and debts also. So after April, you are going to see a lot of positive changes money wise and the finances wise. To enhance your luck overall in the year 2025, money wise and career wise, pray to Lord Shiva, offer water to Lord Shiva daily and chant name of Shiv. You have to close your eyes, put a timer of 12 minutes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. It will help you out to enhance your luck money wise. Career wise and the finances wise, this is a good year for you. So this is a year where there is a high possibility of a change of a place. There is a high possibility you may change a job or you may start something new this particular year. This is a good year. This is a good year to purchase a property also, and it is seen that after March there is a high possibility there can be any type of construction in your house being started, but you have to keep an eye on your expenses. Overall, finances wise and the career wise, this is a great year. This is a golden period for you. Put more hard work and stick to it, because very few times this type of yoke comes. Planet are aligned in such a way it is favorable to you. So try to do more hard work so that results will be in your favor, and whatever the changes are going to happen or whatever the transformation is going to happen in the year 2025 money wise and the career wise will be in your favor. To enhance your luck, this is a year as much as you donate you are going to get it. So it is suggested that every Saturday offer cooked food to the needy every Saturday, and try to feed animals, try to feed cows, birds. As much as donation you are going to do in the year 2025, and you will be going to see that your luck will be enhanced more money wise and finances. 2025 is a positive year for you money wise and the finances wise. This is a year where you are going to see a lot of transformation in your life. Like there is a change of a place, there is a possibility of a change of a place, there is a possibility of a change of a career, possibility of a change of a job, and you are going to see a lot of transformation in your relationship also during this time. But finances wise, luck will be your side. You may start something new. You are going to get a lot of new growth opportunity during this time. Put more hard work because luck will be your side. Finances wise and the money wise, there is a high possibility after June you may purchase a new property, or there will be the possibility of a construction in your already the house which you are living. So to enhance your luck money wise and the career wise in the year 2025, you have to pray to Lord Surya, offer water to Lord Surya daily, start waking up early in the morning, and you have to chant or listen to Aditya Hriday Strotam. This will help you out to enhance your luck money wise and Sagittarius. 2025 will be a great year for you money wise and the career wise. Although you are going to enter into Shani ki Dhaiya this particular year, but starting 4 months till April, finances wise things will be better. You may do any type of new investment. You are going to get a sudden money during this time. There is a possibility of a change of a place, and this change of a place will be positive for you, and there is a high possibility you may change a job also during this time. If your money is stuck, then there is a high possibility you will be able to get your stuck money back. Only few things that you have to take care this year, that you need not to avoid taking any impulsive decision related to the finances after April, and you need to keep an eye on your expenses. To overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck money wise and career wise in the year 2025, you have to pray to Lord Shiva more. Try to keep on chanting Shiva name. You have to close your eyes, keep a timer of 12 minutes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. It will help you out to enhance your luck. Along with this, every Saturday offer cooked food to the needy. It will help you. 2025 will be a great year for you. Actually, your Shani ki Sadesati phase is going to complete after 29th of March. This is a good news for you. After 29th of March, you are going to see a lot of relief. You will be relaxed and you are going to see a lot of improvement money-wise and career-wise. As it has been noticed that you are struggling a lot in your life since last few years. But after 29th of March, you will be now you will be ready to get the blessings. You are already prepared. You have seen a lot of changes in your life during this phase. So now 29th of March, you will be started getting the results of the hard work which you have put in the past few years. So this is a time where you are going to get a lot of benefits, finances wise, money wise. If you are looking for a job change, there is a high possibility you will be able to change your job. If you are looking to start something new, this is a perfect time to go ahead to enhance your luck in the year 2025, money wise and career wise. You have to light up a mustard oil lamp near the people tree, or if you don't have a people tree nearby, then every Saturday start lighting up a mustard oil lamp near your main gate. It will help you out to enhance. 2025 will be a great year money wise and the career wise. You are going to see a lot of improvement in the career. You are going to get a new opportunity. You are going to get a lot of transformation in your life, and this is a positive transformation money wise and the career wise. So this is a time where you may start something new. You may start a new business. There is a possibility of a change of a place. There is a possibility of a change of a job. You will be able to get your stuck money back, and if you have loans and debts on you, then you will be able to pay off your loans also. To enhance your luck money wise and the career wise in the year 2025, you have to pray to Lord Shiva more. Offer water to Lord Shiva daily and try to chant Shiv name. You have to close your eyes, put a timer of 12 minutes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. When you keep on chanting Shiv name for 12 minutes daily, it will help you out to enhance your luck, as the ruling planet of yours is Aquarius. Aquarius for you is Shani, and Shani Guru itself is Lord Shiva. So as much as you pray to Lord Shiva, you are going to see a lot of improvement overall in your life. 2025 will be an average year for you, finances wise and career wise. This is a year where you should avoid taking any impulsive decision. Don't take your career for granted during this time, and this is a year where you may start something new. But before starting something new or doing any type of new investment, you have to do a proper planning and then take a step, as you are already going through the Shani ki Sade Sati phase, and 2025 planets are aligned in such a way that it seems like an average year for you, finances wise and the career wise. To overall enhance your luck and to overcome the challenges this particular year, try to chant Radhe Radhe. You have to close your eyes, put a timer of 12 minutes and keep on chanting Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe. It will help you out to enhance your luck money wise and the best remedies that you can do in the year 2025 to enhance your luck finances wise and money wise. Overall, everyone can do this particular remedy. If you don't know your date of birth or you don't know your moon sign, in that case also you can do this remedy. It is very beneficial for you money wise and career wise in the year 2025, and every one of us should do this remedy. Try to wear a bangle made up of brass. Along with this, what you have to do, keep on chanting the name of Shiva. So how you have to try to make a timer, try to put a timer for 12 minutes daily. Close your eyes and keep on chanting Shiv, 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 Shiv. As much as you take the name of Shiv in the year 2025, it will help you out to overcome the challenges. It will help you out to remove the blockages from your life. If this particular video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your loved one. Thank you and have a great day ahead.